Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. Hey everyone, myself Mashkur Ali, and today I've got 3 super useful methods that will help you manage and delete your Cash App transactions. Now, I know Cash App doesn't let you directly delete transactions, but I'll show you 3 indirect ways to either hide or permanently remove them. So let's get started. Method 1. Enable 2-step verification. The first method is simple but effective. All you have to do is open Cash App and head to the settings. From there, enable 2-step verification. This extra security layer ensures that no unauthorized person can access your Cash App transactions. Once enabled, it's like your transaction history is hidden and only you can see it. So, this method is great for protecting your privacy. Method 2. Delete and recreate your Cash App account. The second method is for those who want a fresh start. You can completely delete your Cash App account. After that, you can create a new account using the same phone number and details, but your old transaction history will be gone. Keep in mind, it might take a bit of time, so if you need assistance, you can always contact Cash App support for help with this process. Method 3. Cancel pending or unsuccessful transactions. Finally, the third method is perfect if you've got pending or unsuccessful transactions. Simply open your Cash App, go to the transaction you want to delete, click on the 3 dots in the top right corner and choose Cancel Payment. Once you cancel, the transaction will be deleted from your history. So by using these 3 methods, you can easily manage your Cash App transactions and keep your account secure. If you want to know the step-by-step details of these methods, check out the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Cash App tips and updates. See you in the next video.